Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean and this is The Sean Show. Today I'll be talking about the LiveGood Matrix, LiveGood PowerLine, and of course the LiveGood Spillover. I don't want you to be fooled, and that's why I made this quick video. With that said, let's dive in. All right, so the thing about some of the videos that you've seen, some of the people promoting LiveGood, and even the little teaser video that you see when you watch the tour, it makes it look like you just simply sign up and then you start making money, potentially as much as $2,000 a month. Well, I'm here to tell you that you're not going to sign up and start making $2,000 a month just automatically, okay? For one, yes, you get spillover, but you don't get enough to where, boom, all of a sudden you're making $2,000 a month in a month or two or three. Realistically, if you did nothing, you'd probably have to be involved 4 years before you really get $2,000 a month pretty much on autopilot. With that said, can you make money with this thing? Well, of course you can, but you're not gonna just make money doing nothing. That's silly. So I didn't want people to get fooled and think that that's what's gonna happen. However, if you work this business, the beautiful thing is it's pretty ground floor right now. It's relatively new. It's only about 5 months old, and there's only about 400,000 people in the business at this point in time. However, think Amway, think Herbalife, think of all the big ones that have been doing this for a long time. They have millions of people involved, and this business is slated to have several million in just a couple years, and probably 1 million way before the end of 2023. So I think you can make money, but you just have to work it. You have to network, you have to share, you have to make content. If you don't do any of that, then you're probably not going to make money. But the beautiful thing is, if you join a team that's going to help you thrive, then you can make money. Now, I'm here to help, of course. I'd love to help you make content, etc. Our upline has a ton of content that they put in our WhatsApp chat, etc. And of course, when it comes to making videos and stuff like that, editing videos, I can certainly help you with that. I love helping people, and I definitely want to help you succeed. If you want to find out more about the LiveGood opportunity and making money with LiveGood, there's a tour link down in the description below. I'd love to hear from you. I will also put my contact information if you want to chat or have an email back and forth, etc. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a great evening and a great weekend to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.